Meaning of extroverted.
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 Extroverted. Extroverted refers to a person who is outgoing and sociable, with a tendency to seek stimulation and attention from others. Extroverts enjoy spending time with people and are energized by social interactions. They tend to be assertive, confident, and comfortable in group settings. Being extroverted can have many benefits, such as being able to build strong relationships, networking easily, and increasing one's social capital. However, it can also have its downsides, such as a tendency to be impulsive or to overlook important details in favor of excitement.